In this video, you'll learn how to connect Claude Code to Git Bash on a Windows system. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to ensure that Claude is installed correctly and accessible through Git Bash. To begin, open PowerShell. You can do this by searching for PowerShell in the Start menu. Once PowerShell is open, type the command Claude version and press Enter. If Claude is installed, you should see the version number displayed. If the command fails, it indicates that Claude is not installed and you will need to install it first, as Git Bash cannot resolve issues with a broken installation. Next, you will need to open Git Bash, locate the Start menu again, and search for Git Bash. Once found, click on it to launch the application. This environment will allow you to interact with Claude and run commands effectively. After opening Git Bash, the next step is to verify if Git Bash recognizes Claude. In the Git Bash window, enter Claude version and hit Enter. If the command executes successfully and shows the version number, you are all set. However, if you encounter the message Claude command not found, this indicates a path issue that needs to be resolved. To fix the path issue, you will need to manually add Claude's installation directory to the path variable. Claude typically installs in either C users, your name app data, local programs, Claude, or C users, your name app data, local Claude. In Git Bash, type nano tilde /.bash resh quote to open the configuration file. Scroll to the bottom of the file and add the line export path $path /c/users /your name /app data /local /program /Claude, adjusting your name to your actual Windows username. After making this change, save the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y to confirm and hit Enter to exit. To apply the changes, run source tilde/.bash re. Now, it's time to test if the adjustments have worked. In Git Bash, type Claude version once more. If the version number displays correctly, it confirms that Git Bash can now access Claude. If you still experience issues, double-check the path entry you added for any errors. The next step involves setting your API key for Git Bash. If you want to set it temporarily for the current session, enter export anthropic _API _key =, your _key here in the terminal. For a permanent solution, add export anthropic _API _key =, your _API _key here to the end of your tilde/.bash quote to apply the changes. Finally, navigate to your project directory where you intend to use Claude. Use the command cd/c/users/your name/document/my project to change to your project folder. Once you are in the correct directory, you can run Claude by simply typing Claude or use specific commands like Claude refactor this project to execute tasks directly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.